Yo, what's up, everybody? It's KB here, and a few days ago, I made this post on YouTube, and yeah, I did it. I installed Windows 11 as my main OS on my main PC, and actually, 60% of you guys also want me to use the Windows 11 as my main OS. I'm gonna be using Windows 11 for everything now on gaming, editing, making videos, and all that. So I got over 500 votes, and yeah, you guys did it. But actually, I also want to use the Windows 11 as my main OS because it's too good to not use as main OS. Actually, yeah, I'm saying this. Yeah, I'm loving the Windows 11. It's been 3 days. This is third day I'm using Windows 11 as my main OS. If there was any problem, I had a plan that I was gonna install the Windows 10 again and yeah, make a video about that too. But you know, it's too good. That's why I'm sticking with it, even though it's in dev channel or just preview build. It's pretty stable actually. Everything is working fine, and I feel like the Windows 11 is actually much faster and much smoother than the Windows 10 as for my experience. And now I'm going to show you guys I have shown you guys the icons because I want you guys to believe that this is my main PC, and I installed everything. So these are my programs and all that. This is how I actually manage my desktop icons. Okay. And you may see lots of OBS, 1 2 3 4 OBS. Don't know why, but there are 4 OBS. So let me show you the specs of my PC actually from here. So this is i7 9th gen, 32 gigs of RAM and all that. So this is Windows 11 Pro, a latest one, a dev channel. And let me show you from here. This is processor, this is RAM, and I'm going to show you guys what driver do I have. I have the NVIDIA RTX 2070 Super. So these are my PC specs. So anyone who is thinking that this is fake, no, this is not fake. I actually did it. And this is my monitor, 1080p and 144 Hertz and all that. There you go. I have done tests in 2 days actually. This is not going to be a tutorial video or anything like that. This is just me completing what I said in the post. And yeah, this is it. I did the gaming. I played Fortnite. I played Minecraft. I played Valorant. And that's all the game I have right now. And everything is running fine. I'm happy with Windows 11. You know, if I go back to the Windows 10, it will feel very sad because Windows 10 compared to Windows 11 is very ugly in my opinion. So yeah, I can't go back to the Windows 10 because I like the Windows 11, and there's our new store. The apps and games are still crappy. And there is no Android app support yet. So hope soon or next version of the Windows 11 dev preview build will get the, the Android app support and all that. But so far, I'm just loving it. Yeah. And there is our start menu. I got my Adobe Audition, Photoshop, control panel. There are so many changes in Windows 11. I kind of want to make a video on what's new in Windows 11. But there are also so many things changed which I don't like actually. So I also want to make a video on the things I don't like in Windows 11. So it's like I like it. It's refreshed operating system. It's good. And I don't like it because there are some settings that should stay the same. One setting specifically actually. If you right click on the sound settings, and there is a sound settings and volume mixer. If you click one of these, it will take you to the big settings, and I don't like the way it works. Windows 11 should also have this setting, the old one. Let me find here. Not the network, sound and hardware. This option. I like this one. This should also include the sound, the old control panel sound, because it's like tiny and everything is here. You can manage your sound devices very quickly. I feel like this is much efficient than what we have in the Windows 11. I don't know if the Windows developers are watching this, but I'm gonna give them a feedback actually to include this in the sound settings. Like when we right click on the sound icon, speaker icon, we should get this settings too. As of now, it's I don't like it. I have to go here, and it's bad. So there are some things that I don't like about Windows 11, but overall, I think Windows 11 is very good. I haven't done any tests like which one is faster, Windows 10 or 11, because I have only one PC with same spec, and I have a laptop with different specs. So it will be pointless if I do the test on laptop and main PC, because main PC has lots of processor, RAM, and better graphic card, and laptop doesn't. So even if I do the test benchmark or something like that between Windows 10 and 11, it wouldn't make any sense. But if you go online and search for Windows 10 versus Windows 11 benchmark test, you will see that Windows 11 is much better than the Windows 10. At least in benchmark, it gives you better score than the Windows 10. So even though I can't, or I haven't done the benchmark test in both of the systems like Windows 10 and 11, but I can still feel it, like the Windows 11 is fast. Yes. But so far feels very good. All right. Feels very, very good. Windows 11, it's snappier, faster, smoother, and all that. So that's it. This video was just to show you guys I did it. Yeah, that's it. I did it, and I love it. And hope I will be able to help the Windows developers by giving feedbacks, and maybe hopefully they will listen to us or maybe to me. And before I leave you guys in peace, I don't recommend you guys to install Windows 11 developer preview builds as main OS, because you won't be able to upgrade or downgrade to Windows 10 because you'll have to do the clean install. So if you are desperate, just wait for the beta channel, and beta channels can be actually upgraded to stable and or maybe downgraded to Windows 10. So you can do that. Once you go Windows 11, I don't think you will ever downgrade to Windows 10 unless you have like some problem or something like that with your Windows 11 OS. But if you use Windows 11, I think you're gonna be stuck just like me. I mean, not stuck, badly stuck. I mean, good way stuck that you love it and you don't want to go back to the Windows 10. But yeah, my suggestion is that don't do it. As of now, don't do it. Wait for the beta builds of Windows 11. Then you can do it. You should be doing it. Or maybe, it depends on you. But if you're desperate, all I'm saying is wait for the beta builds of Windows 11 and then use it. Then later you can upgrade your beta builds to the stable actually. If you use the dev builds, you won't be able to upgrade to stable because you'll have to do the clean install and all that. So that's the downside of using the dev builds. But I'm all okay because that's all we have right now. And yeah, so far I'm just loving it. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. And one more problem actually, they haven't fixed the dark mode for the control panel still. It's still white and dark. it's not even dark, even though I'm using the dark theme. So there are some things that still needs to be polished and all that, but I'm not going to go over it. But still, in my opinion, Windows 11 is just much better than the Windows 10. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to try the Windows 11, I will put a link in the description for the videos, actually two of them. One where I showed you how to get the Windows 11 update, and one how to get the Windows 11 ISO file. Then you can try it on your old PC or on virtual machine, or all that. So yeah, that's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.